Third annual. I'm
Yeah,
so
let's say
sweaty. Okay, so the third annual
Weird Snacks.
Snacks with Friends, which has only ended up being you and I. Maybe sometime we'll do it in a shorter period of time than in a year between or more, and it'll be with someone else. Possibly. I don't know.
I thought I was your only friend, but...
So, this time, I almost just said today, this year we'll be featuring a very special weird snack. And it is our wedding cake.
The top tier.
From a year ago. Got married a year ago.
Happy anniversary to us.
Happy diversity.
And this cake. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited for this actually.
Ooh. That kind of like fell out magically.
Should we have done that together?
Oh, I don't know.
Like cut the cake?
No, we'll go to feed each other.
Oh yeah.
It actually tastes pretty much the same.
It tastes exactly the same, colder, but it doesn't change the texture at all.
It tastes exactly like this. I feel transported back.
I do feel transported back. For reference,
We were so much younger.
Yeah,
I didn't have a mustache.
my hair was long.
Yeah, those were the good old days.
My brother used to make, well, he made the cake, so he, in preparation for it, practiced a bazillion times. Exactly.
1 bazillion.
Exactly 1.2 bazillion.
What is that made out of? Is it just cardboard?
Cardboard or something? I don't know.
Let's taste
I
the
think you get it
cardboard.
from the store. And so then I just really earned like this craving for it since that buttery, cold. It'd be good with espresso.
Or milk.
The frosting is great.
Join us next year when we... Wait, we're supposed to rate it.
Oh yeah.
I forgot about that. I give it a 1. But not because it's bad, but because of happy 1-year anniversary. I'm just kidding. I give it a 5.
Was that a 3?
Was it a 3?
No, it was at a 5.
I give it the most.
Yeah, I give it the most.
Join us next year when we eat a whole watermelon
And our own liver.
in one bite. Bye!